Now today we are going to see the uses of above and over. So let us start with above. Above is used to denote higher than. Say ऊपर. The water came above our knees. पानी घुटनों से ऊपर आ गया. The sun rose above the horizon. सूरज क्षितिज से ऊपर निकला. और plane was flying above the clouds. हमारा जहाज बादलों के ऊपर उड़ रहा था. टू डिनोट हायर इन रैंक, पोजीशन और इम्पोर्टेंस, पद, स्थान या प्रतिष्ठा. ए कैप्टन इन नेवी रैंक्स अबव ए कैप्टन इन आर्मी. ए ब्रिगेडियर रैंक्स अबव ए कर्नल. शी मैरिड अबव हर. हियर शी मैरिड somebody from a higher social class than her. To denote greater in number, price, weight, etc. मतलब ज्यादा. The temperature has been above normal today. सामान्य से ज्यादा. Applicant must be above the age of 21. 21 साल की उम्र से ज्यादा अभ्यर्थी की आयु होनी चाहिए. To denote more than, से ज्यादा. You should value honor above life. The price of this table is above 6,000 rupees. To denote beyond reach of something, because too good, great, etc. से परे. She is above suspicion. वो शंका से परे है. Her behavior was above reproach. उसका व्यवहार तिरस्कार से, निंदा से परे है. Now the uses of over. Over is used to denote resting on the surface. किसी चीज के ऊपर आराम कर रहा है, ढका हुआ है. पार्टली और कंप्लीटली, अंशतः या पूर्णतया. They spread the cloth over the table. She put a blanket over the sleeping child. उसने सोते हुए बच्चे को चादर से ढका. उसने टेबल के ऊपर कपड़ा बिछाया या उन्होंने. They spread the cloth over the table. Some more uses of over. To denote in or to a position higher than but not touching. से ऊपर और दूर. She held an umbrella over her head. The balcony juts out over the street. To denote from one side of something to other. Like there is a bridge over the railway crossing. He looked over the wall. दीवार से ऊपर, दीवार के ऊपर दूसरी तरफ. The children ran over the grass. घास के ऊपर. To denote on the far or opposite side of something. दूर या सामने. We don't know who lives in that house over the river. To denote so as to cross something and be on the other side. Like he jumped over the stream. The cat climbed over the wall. They went over the mountain. Now next. To denote in or across every part or most part of something or a place. Snow is falling over the mountainous region. पर्वतीय क्षेत्रों में बर्फ पड़ रही है, सब जगह पड़ रही है. She is famous all over the world. वो पूरी दुनिया में विख्यात है, सब जगह. To denote more than, ज्यादा. She is over 50. The minaret must be over 20 meters. We stayed in Bangkok for over 15 days. The river is over 600 kilometers long. To indicate control, command, authority, superiority, etc. Like नियंत्रण, आदेश, शासन. Ashoka the Great ruled over a vast empire. He has only the MD over him. She has little control over her emotions. Now the next one. To denote while doing eating. During किस दौरान. We shall discuss it over lunch. We had a pleasant chat over a cup of coffee. To denote because of or concerning. किसी वजह से. There was a dispute between them over the property. They were not agreed over the way to proceed. किस तरीके से आगे बढ़े. To denote transmitted by. She discussed the problem over the phone. The news was broadcast over the radio. Now to watch the more uses of preposition. Please keep on watching my YouTube channel, Sanjay Singh Wizard of English. Thank you.